Assalamualaikum. Good morning, grade 5. How are you all, my dear students? As you know, beta, previous work we have done tenses. And which tense we done? We done present indefinite tense, the first tense. Today we are going to do the second present continuous tense. Please listen all the formulas carefully. Alright, my dear class, its topic tenses. First tense we done present indefinite. Today tense is present continuous tense. The work that is still going on in the present. As you know, there are three types of sentences: simple, negative and interrogative. And first of all, we will talk about the simple sentences. Whenever we are going to do simple sentence, the first thing that we need is subject. After subject, we need helping verbs, and in this tense, in continuous tense, the helping verbs are is, am and are. And what will be the helping verbs in present indefinite? Do remember please? Yes, do and does. After, my dear class, because it is continuous tense, and whenever we are talking about continuous tense, we use verb first form, and with first form we put ing, and the last will be object. Now let's move to the example of simple sentence. The example for simple sentence is Ahmad. Ahmad is the subject. Ahmad is the name who is doing work. So subject. Ahmad A will be capital because it's proper noun. Is helping verb. HV mean helping verb. And why I use here is because Ahmad is a singular. When there is one thing, one person, we use is. And as I tell you, after is, am, are, we will use verb first form with ing. Here I write do. Do is an action, do is verb first form, and when we add ing, it becomes doing. And what is the object? What Ahmad is doing? Ahmad is doing homework, so homework is the object. So the first sentence about simple sentence of present continuous tense is Ahmad is doing homework. Now let's move to the second. It's negative sentence. It's very simple. Only we have to change a word that is not. First we will write subject. After subject is, am, are. These are helping verbs. And after helping verbs we will put not. This is only the change in simple to negative sentences. We put not with verb first form ing, and at the last we will put object. Now let's move to the example of negative sentences. The example for negative sentence Ahmad. What is Ahmad in this sentence? Please tell me. Yes, Ahmad is the subject. Ahmad is not doing homework. This is the negative sentence. Ahmad is not doing homework. In simple sentence we write Ahmad is doing homework, but when we change into negative form we will write Ahmad is not doing homework. After helping verb we will put not. Now let's move to the interrogative sentences. Now talk about interrogative sentences. Whenever, my dear class, we are going to do any question, we are going to ask any question, these are called interrogative sentences. And when we are doing interrogative sentences, helping verb will be at the start of the sentence. In this present continuous tense, is, am, are, these three are helping verbs, and these three will come at the start of the sentence, any one of them. For example, the example that we are doing, in this example we are using is. Ahmad is. So is will come at start. After is we will put subject. After verb first form with ing, and last will be the object. Okay, my dear class, let's move to the example. The example for interrogative sentences, as I told you, is will be at the start. After subject Ahmad, Doing is verb first form with ing and last will be object homework. So these are the three examples of positive, negative and interrogative sentences. These are the formulas of simple sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. At last, my dear class, here I want to tell you about is, am and are, because is, am and are helping verbs that are used in present continuous tense. Let's move where they are used. We use is with he, she, it and any singular. He is, she is, it is. Singular mean any one person, any one thing. For example, the table is. Table is singular, so we use is. Ali is. The tree is. Pencil is, because it's one. After, my dear class, next we will talk about am. With am we always use I. I am going, I am sleeping, I am walking, I am eating. So with am we use I. And are, we use we, they, you and plural with are. We are, they are, you are. Plural mean when there are two persons and more than two persons. For example, if I said Ahmad and Ali. So Ahmad and Ali are two persons. So I write are. I will not write Ahmad and Ali is, because here are two person plural. So we use are. So keep it in mind, my dear class, the formulas of present continuous tense, where we use is, am, are, which form of verb we use, which helping verbs are used, how to change into negative and interrogative sentences, and make sure to learn these all formulas properly at home and do practice on your register at home. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will share with you the worksheet of these two tenses. Allah Hafiz.